In a perfect world, we all would know what is happening with every piece of our inventory at every moment. We would have all the data we need stored in our head, and everything would be 100% accurate. But let's face it, this isn't a perfect world, and nobody could store that much data. When it comes to inventory management, key performance indicators are very important, and there is a long list of them. Everything from inventory turnover rate, days on hand, stock to sales ratio, sell-through rates, backorder rates, rate of return, put away time, perfect order rate, and thousands more. Could you imagine having all that information? It would be very difficult to track, understand, and act on opportunities. Inventory metrics need to be simple. With that being said, over the next few videos, we will look at 4 of the most important measures you can monitor at an aggregate level to set inventory goals, manage inventory, and make adjustments when needed. Those 4 measures are inventory turnover, days of supply, fill rate, and cash-to-cash cycle. These 4 key performance indicators are used by some of the largest companies, including USPS, Walmart, and Amazon. With that in mind, we would like to ask each of you, what measurements do you track your inventory with? Share your thoughts in the community, comments, or upcoming assignments, and remember to come back often. We'll see you in the next lecture.